Well, again, everyone, we're at IKEA, whatever how you want to pronounce it. Anyways, I'm going through the whole menu of this place eventually. So today we're going to try out 2 fried pieces of chicken, but also chicken tulips, which is a different kind of fried chicken, smoked sausage, and then a bacon wraps hot dog, which I've already eaten. So here are the prices. And as usual, if you have a family card, which is free, you gotta sign up for it. You either get a free cup of coffee or tea. The machine is all you can drink. Anyways, let me cut these up and come back. So by the way, this is a pet-friendly section here, so that's why we're sitting here. I'm not really a fan of these tables because stuff will fall through here. But the line was so crazy getting food. That's why I ended up getting this. I didn't feel like waiting in line to get the regular entrees. I really generally don't eat hot dogs, but I do like bacon. Yeah, that tastes pretty good. I don't know of anything with bacon that doesn't taste good. Let's try the hot dog by itself. It's not a bad hot dog. Tastes kind of like a chicken slash pork. Maybe it's a mixture of both. Alright, smoked sausage is much bigger. And you can see I don't know, some fat and meat content there. I guess it's a little smoky. It reminds me of a kielbasa. That's the closest thing I could say about that. Yeah, it pretty much tastes like a kielbasa. There's a sweet plum sauce you can get, and also I forget what this was. It's supposed to be spicy, but I highly doubt it. Yeah, it's like the stuff you get at KFC. It's mostly sweet with 1% spice. Anyways, not bad. Not bad if you're in a hurry and you don't want to wait for the entree line. This has got to be good. Look at this thing. Look how crispy it looks. It's still warm. Definitely crispy on the outside. Not much flavor in the batter. I don't think there's any flavor in the batter. It's basically just straight fried chicken. I guess maybe it's supposed to dip in these sauces. Still pretty good. Alright, chicken without batter. It looks like a pretty nice. That one's actually hot. So, this is, well, hold on. There's flavor. Some sort of flavor on this thing. But I can't make it out. It's not spicy, it's not sweet. There's some sort of spice of some sort, or a blend. It's kind of like a mild KFC. Anyways, it's not bad. I think I prefer it over this. This tastes less oily, whereas, you know, the breading of this is just trapping in a lot more oil. So I think I prefer that one. So I think for today, either the fried chicken or possibly actually the bacon wrapped hot dog are my favorites. Alright, well anyways, we'll see you the next time I try something else at IKEA. Thank you for watching.